and welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Today, got some more excitement here on the hobby farm. Want to give a shout out to my LS tractor dealer, Ray with Mendenhall Farms. He's actually given me the opportunity to do a little test run here on this Echo CS620. So, as you all know before, we typically have steel chainsaws here. I did have an Echo, and I still do. It's a lightweight trimmer, and I've had a lot of good luck with it. It's a really good running machine, and I'm really anxious to see what this 620 has to offer for us. So I wanted to bring you all along with our first startup, and we'll just see how this saw performs. So stick around, and I hope you all enjoy. So this saw has a 24-inch bar on it, and this is a professional series. Commercial use, you get a 1-year warranty with these, and residential use, you get 5 years warranty. So let's go ahead and see how this saw starts for us. It's got a compression release on top, your basic choke setup. Must have bumped the choke there forward. All right, here we go. There we go. All right, so we're going to go ahead and give this saw a good warm up. Being that this is its first time running, we're going to go into the logs there pretty easy to get it broke in a little bit, warmed up well, before we really see its potential. So I've got quite a few ash logs staged and ready for this. I'm anxious to see how it does. Tell you what, for being in the low teens in the first fire of this saw, I'm pretty impressed. So let's go ahead and see just how well it starts again. Then we're going to tie into this ash tree here. Let me tell you, that is pretty impressive. And this is a nice solid ash too, so there's nothing forgiving about it. Anyways, first 6 or 10 cuts there. I'm anxious to get into some bar length wood with it, I'll tell you that much, because there's a lot of power there. I'm pretty impressed. Yep.
sounds mean.
I tell you what, that is impressive. I'm excited there.
Hey, it throwed a few chips.
Oh my.
Dang.
So yeah, we got the test on Ash done. Up next will probably be maybe some maple or a lot of locust around here. So that's some hardwood. We'll definitely let you guys know how it does in that. So I was jumping at the bit. Ray, thanks for bringing this by for us today. He just left a few hours ago, and as you can tell, we're out here wanting to try it out. And I can tell you just from first impressions, I want to get a lot of use out of this saw. So thanks again, Mendenhall Farms, for letting us demo this saw for a while. You are going to be seeing this probably throughout the spring there on the channel, and we'll get overall good, honest opinions from it.
I cut those too.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And as always, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. I know a lot of you all are Echo fans. Tell me about your good experiences y'all have had with them so far in the comments below. All right, guys. Thanks again. Y'all take care.